Hello my dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. So dear students, today we will discuss about the exercise of chapter 3. Okay, so let us start. All the students open the exercise of chapter 3. Okay, here you can see exercise number A is take the correct answer. Okay, exercise number A is take the correct answer. In this question number first is which of the following key is a toggle key? So dear students, options are enter, caps lock and page up. Here are three options. Okay, so dear students, option number B is the right answer. Okay, caps lock is the toggle keys. Now come to the question number second. Question number second is which key move the cursor to the next line? Options are page down. Option number B is num lock. Option number C is enter. As you all know students, enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Dear students, if you are typing a document and you want to come to the next line, then you have to press enter. Now come to the question number third. Question number third is which key gives a blank space between the word? So dear students, as you all know, options are enter, space bar and home. So dear students, as you all know, space bar key is used to give a blank space between the words, letters. Okay, so if you want to give a blank space between a letter or word, then you have to press space bar key. Okay, that you can find on the keyboard. That is the longest key on a keyboard. Okay, space bar key. Now come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is this device has two buttons. Okay, this device has two buttons. Dear students, look at the question number 4 carefully. Question are saying this device has two buttons and a scroll wheel. Option number A is mouse. Option number B is keyboard and option number C is none of these. Okay, so dear students, as you all know, mouse is the right answer. You have to tick on the option number A. Mouse has two buttons and a scroll wheel. Clear? I hope you all are understand. Now come to the exercise number B. Exercise number B is fill in the blanks. Okay, so let us start. In this question number first is dash key is the longest key on a keyboard. Okay students, as you all know, space bar key is the longest key on a keyboard. सबसे लंबी जो की होती है वो होती है स्पेस बार, that you can find bottom of the keyboard. Now question number second is moving the scroll wheel forward, move a page dash. you have to fill here up. Okay, moving the scroll wheel forward, move a page up and down. Okay students, scroll wheel is used to forward move a page up and down. Now come to the question number third. Question number third is pressing the dash key open the start menu. So dear students, as you all know, Windows key. Okay students, pressing the Windows key opens the start menu. As you all know, Windows key you can find on the keyboard. Okay, that having window symbol. Okay, like this. Okay students, that having a window symbols. Pressing the window key opens the start menu. Now come to the question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is dash key move the cursor to the beginning of a line. So dear students, home key move the cursor to the beginning of a line. If you want to come on the beginning of a line, then you have to press home key from the keyboard. Okay, now come to the next exercise. Okay, that is true or false. Okay students, here you can see exercise number C is write T for true and F for false. In this question number first is a keyboard is also known as QWERTY keyboard. Okay, yes dear students, this statement is true. Okay, because when you see on the keyboard, you will see in alphabetical section there are the keys is arranged QWERTY serial wise. So dear student, due to this reason the keyboard is also known as QWERTY keyboard. Okay, now come to the question number second. Question number second is number key are always used in combination. Dear student, this statement is false. Okay, because only the shift key and the control key is used in combination with other keys. Number keys are not always used in combination with other keys. So dear student, this statement is false. Now come to the question number third. Question number third is numlock key is a toggle key. Okay, this statement is false. Okay, now come to the question number 4. Question number 4 is okay, F1 function key is used for opening the help box. Yes dear students, this statement is true. Okay, you have to fill here true. Okay, F1 function key is used to open help box. Okay, now come to the exercise number D, that is answer the following question. Okay, question number first is okay, in this question number first is describe the toggle keys and their function. Okay, so dear students, toggle key is used to turn a function on and off. Pressing a toggle keys once activate the function and press it again deactivate the function. Okay, now come to the question number 2. Dear students, question number 2 is, what do you understand by navigation keys? Okay, and name 3 navigation keys. So dear students, answer is, this key control the cursor movement. That's why these are also called cursor movement keys. Okay, dear students, navigation keys control the cursor movement. That's why these are also called cursor movement keys. Okay, examples of navigation keys are arrow keys, home keys, page up and page down. Okay, these all are the navigation keys. Okay students, bye bye. Now the class has gone over, and till then, so dear students, exercise of chapter 3 question number 3 I will explain in my next video. So till then, goodbye, and thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye students, have a good day.